Chapter 14. Transport and Communication. Going from one place to another is called traveling. We use different kinds of vehicles to travel from one place to another. The different types of vehicles that we use for traveling are known as means of transport. Meaning of transport. We use transport for traveling and also for sending goods from one place to another. The vehicle we choose for transport depends on three important points. How far the place is. How quickly we want to reach the place. What the cost of the journey will be. Types of transport. There are three types of transport: land, air, and water. Land transport. Some means of transport move on land only. Trains, buses, cars, tractors, trucks, scooters, tongas, bicycles, bullock carts, and camel carts are all means of land transport. Land transport is the most common means of transporting people and goods from one place to another. Air transport. Air transport is the fastest way to travel, covering vast distances quickly, though it is expensive. Large planes for passengers are called airbuses, while cargo planes carry goods. Airports handle loading and unloading of passengers and goods. Astronauts use space shuttles to travel into space. Water transport. Water transport is used for transporting bulky and heavy goods. Such goods are mostly transported by sea or ocean. The different means of water transport are ships, boats, liners, and tankers. A town or city with a harbor is called a port. A cruise ship or cruise liner is a passenger ship used for pleasure voyages. It is like a luxury hotel on water. It is very expensive to travel on it. The famous Titanic was a cruise liner. Common means of transport in India. Railways connect most of India, making trains the fastest and cheapest transport for many. In mountainous and forested areas, people travel by air or by road using cars and buses. In deserts, camels, known as the ship of the desert, are the primary means of transport. Meaning of communication. Communication is the exchange of ideas, feelings, or information. It happens through speaking, listening, gestures, signs, and sounds. People with speech or hearing difficulties use gestures or sign language. The story of communication. Early humans used gestures and cave paintings to communicate, later developing picture writing and alphabets. Over time, language evolved. Before modern transport and communication, pigeons and messengers on foot or horseback carried messages, though these methods were slow and unreliable. Today, communication is faster and reliable through post, telephone, and email. Postal system. Post is the cheapest communication method using inland letters, postcards, and envelopes. Letters and parcels can be sent nationwide or internationally. Telegrams, once used for urgent messages, were discontinued on 15 July 2013. Urgent letters are now sent via speed post or courier. Telephone. The telephone is a key communication tool for talking to people locally or globally. It includes landlines and mobile phones. Mobile phones, also called cellular phones, offer SMS for instant messaging. Fax machine. A fax machine sends written messages or pictures instantly via telephone lines, providing a printed copy to the receiver. Along with telephones and mobile phones, It has made communication quick and easy. Computers and Internet. Computers and the Internet are the fastest communication tools today. Emails, pictures, videos, and books can be sent globally via the Internet, which connects computers worldwide. It provides instant access to information from anywhere. Mass media communication. Mass communication reaches many people at once through newspapers, magazines, radio, and television. In India, these are available in multiple languages to benefit a wider audience. Radio. Radio broadcasts news and entertainment through voice, making it a vital medium for people with vision impairments. Television. Television also provides a variety of information and entertainment. The television has both audio and visual contents, therefore it is the most popular means of mass communication. E-reader. An e-reader is a device that allows reading downloaded books. Satellites have revolutionized communication by enabling mobile phone, radio, and television signals to travel globally. They allow live broadcasts of events, including sports, from anywhere in the world. Today, transport and communication are faster, making life easier.